This video is brought to you by Henry's Camera and DJI. What's up guys, it's me Blake and you're watching Beyond Reviews, where we review all kinds of tech and give you easy to understand tips and tricks. So if this is what you're looking for, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and do leave us a comment. We'll be sure to reply. In this episode, we're going to show you how to easily balance the DJI Ronin SC Pro Combo Kit. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now the axes are locked and we have already actually balanced this. So I'm going to take it out for now. So I'm going to take this out right here. So what you have to make sure with is that your camera does not go over the capacity of the DJI Ronin SC. So the Ronin SC can only carry about 4.4 pounds or about 2 kilos. So you make sure that your camera is not that heavy. So this doesn't even go for 1 kilo. So the A65 and the 10-18 and your battery and then your SD card, okay? So once you've got your gear, for us, this is the highly recommended camera using this because it's very light and it makes it very, very smooth. So first thing that you have to do is you have a choice of choosing where to put your camera. So when you put it further back here, it's heavy, and when you put it forward, it's a little bit light. And over here is where your lens should be, right? So you've also got these guides here, so you would know how forward or backward you'd like your camera to be on the Ronin SC. And right now we've got it positioned this way. And as you can see, the back end over here is already near the heavy, and actually this is not that heavy, you know, this is like less than 2 pounds, right? And you're gonna put it right over here. So when you set up your Ronin SC, this is the bare amount, because we don't actually want to just put all of the accessories on it. We actually like it just like this. But we will show you in another video where you can put the focus rig controls. So this is the video for that. But right now, we're going to show you how to easily balance this. So we have right now, we've got all the axes locked, the pan, the roll, and the tilt axis, okay? So let me show you that this way. So I'm gonna press this. So make sure this is loose. I'm gonna put it right over here. And it's gonna lock over there. And then I'm going to tighten it right over here, okay? So once you have that, put on the cable over here for the A65, and it goes right in there, so you can control the record button on your Sony A65. So that's how you do that. So once you have that, we're going to balance the tilt. So how do you loosen up the tilt? It's right over here. That's your tilt. And then when you balance your tilt, you're gonna move this forward and backward, right? Till it's balanced. So once you got it over there, that's where you're gonna put it. But of course, we've already locked it over here. So you're gonna have to find your sweet spot. Either you move it forward or you move it backward to find until it doesn't move, okay? So once you've got that locked, you lock it over here. And then another test that you have to do is you tilt it 45 degrees that way, 45 degrees this way, and if it doesn't move, you're balanced. So next, we're going to balance the roll axis. So this is it, right? So to balance the roll axis, you're going to unlock over here. So first, this was locked. I balanced my tilt. Now we're gonna balance the roll. I'm gonna unlock it, and then you're going to take a look at if it's leaning to the left or leaning to the right, if it's turning this way or doing this, you adjust also over here. So when you do that, here's a tip. What we like to do here at Beyond Reviews is, you just have to, because it's going to move, right? This is going to fall forward. So make sure that when you're adjusting it, you hold your finger here as well, so it doesn't move or fall forward, your camera. And then you're going to hold here, and then you're going to push it either this way or this way. This whole rig this way. This way, so you're holding it, you move it forward this way or this way, and it's going to move your camera from left to right. So right now we have good balance. So I'm going to show you when I move it a little bit to the right, and it's going to, see, it's tilting to the right. So it's not balanced. So I'm going to push it. So look at where I'm holding it. So I'm going to push it this way. I heard about 2 clicks. It was about 2 clicks there. Okay, 1 more click. Oh, that's too much. So now it's leaning to the left. Now I'm going to put it back 1 more time, just a little bit. And there we go. Okay? Lock it over here. If it doesn't move left or right, you're balanced. Next one is your pan. So I'm going to unlock it over here. There we go. So that's unlocked. And to balance this is you're going to move it forward or backward, right? And the balance here, take a look at this. You have your tripod leg of your Ronin SC this way. So 2 are facing that way, 1 is facing the back. And to balance that, so just an example, I moved it a little bit back, and take a look at where it's going to go, right? So to balance that, the pan, here we go. Looks pretty good. That's it. Okay, and also make sure that the table or the surface that you're balancing it on is also leveled. And the additional thing that you can do to balance your DJI Ronin SC is power up your Ronin, and then open up your app, and of course do the auto tune. Make sure you do the auto tune. Okay, so we're going to do that right now, and it's going to dance a little bit. And once you've got your dance, it's going to take about a minute. So right there. So it's up to 60, 75%, 90%, and 100%. And then you're done. After this, we set our modes and your balance. So that's your balanced DJI Ronin SC. So thank you everybody for watching. It's me, Blake, from Beyond Reviews. And do hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed. Hopefully you guys learned. And if you still have questions about how to balance your DJI Ronin SC, we would be glad to answer your comments in the comment section.